Verify ECS crews for launch.
Verify.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go Leo.
And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying another 29 satellites for Amazon Leo. These spacecraft will deliver fast, reliable internet to customers around the world.
Five good SRBs. Hydraulics at pressure at operational level. Vehicle has cleared the tower. And we have good indication of jettison of all 5 SRBs. And we have good indication of payload bearing jettison. And good indication of stage separation. Pre-start on fuel and locks, good staging. All LEO satellites have been deployed successfully.